I am going to do something that has probably never been done before and give away a sensational secret that has made me $2,409,212 in the last 12 months for free. Fact 1. You have not found this page by coincidence. Fact 2. This free presentation will shock you to the bone. Fact 3. You are going to leave this page with a method that will double your money whenever you want. I hate lies and hype. I'm sure you've seen it all. Been there and done that. That's why I want to share with you something that no one has even dared to do. Until now. It's a revolutionary step, and it had to be taken now more so than any other time. The global economy is on the verge of a massive cardiac arrest. The repercussions could have a tsunami effect, and unless you take preventative steps to protect your interests, there's no doubt that you, along with millions of others, would be forced to lead a nightmarish life. Before your income or savings is sucked up by the increased taxes and endless price hikes, I want to hand you a simple plug-and-play solution. A secret master key, if you will, that unlocks the doors to unfathomable wealth and riches. But hold on. Like I said before, I hate hype. And I truly mean it. So before you get to know more about the world's only account-doubling binary killing software, and the only one to be embedded with the volatility skew principle, I want to show you some solid live video proof taken from a day's trading session with one of my live accounts, using the binary killer right in front of your eyes. It is very important you realize that these are not doctored screenshots, Photoshop extravaganza, fake claims, or back-tested reports. I am showing you my account as it is because I want to refrain from making false hype claims, give you false hopes, or talk about unachievable results that are nothing but just pipe dreams. I want to show you just why the binary killer will bring you account doubling gains every single day. The result it achieves in this live video is a mirror image of its true power and capabilities. We are going to trade this newly funded account with $7,000. This is live trading, and we're going to focus only on Forex pairs. Please notice the date and the time so you can see this video is live and has not been doctored. To make things even harder, we're going to trade very short-term trades. Each trade will last something like 5 minutes. At the end of the day, we're going to view our results together here, to record it and show them to you, and we'll see what happened. So now as you can see, these are our results. On the right-hand side, you will see the profits, and on the left-hand side, you will see the total balance. So that means now the time is 13:38. The date is exactly the same, proving it's the same day. And the account went from $7,000 to over $15,000 in one day. Actually, in around only 4 hours. This is how Binary Killer works, and these are the results. You can expect similar results, as this is a normal trading day for Binary Killer, and I hope that you will get even better results. Just to prove our results weren't down to luck, here's another trading day with the same account, and the account is up to more than $19,000. That's over $4,000 more than our last results without me even paying much attention to it. Now, of course, not every day you can expect to double your account. Our reasonable amount of profit is somewhere between 35% and 85% per trading day, and that's if you're going to trade all day like we're doing here. Now that you've seen my trading account results, let me shed light on why Binary Killer holds great promises for you. No worrying about the entry or the exit points. No confusing stop loss or take profit. No trading experience needed. You don't need to understand or apply mind-numbing charting theories. No spending endless hours on computer screen. Trade at your own pace and when you have time. You can even make money in your lunch break or in the evenings after work or while sipping your morning coffee. But wait, if you feel that binary options trading is similar to roulette, then you are going to break your bank for sure. Simply because the house never goes bust. That's precisely why people are losing their shirt when all they have to do is say call or put. Binary options trading is much more than saying red or black. You need to have the right trading tool to bring home unprecedented profits. You will also need to have an insight into the market movements before you could predict the outcome with eagle-eye precision. That's where Binary Killer comes in. I don't want you to risk a single penny, not before you see the Binary Killer unleash its true potential. I have powered my software with volatility skew to reduce the risk and predict the market outcome with 92.7% accuracy. I am certain that this is the only software that can bring in serious profits every day, several times a day. I am being 100% transparent, unlike most of the traders I see these days. I want you to let your guard down and check out live how much this software is earning, as you could easily be earning the exact same profits too. Let me explain how Binary Killer siphons winning trades within minutes. Analysis trend patterns and wave following within micro-milliseconds. Identify support and resistance levels. Sniffs high-low breakouts ahead of the time. Gives clear call, put visual signals on the chart so you know the exact action to be taken. 100% plug and play, no room for guesswork. High winning rate, extremely low drawdown, volatility skew principle heavily filters down risky trades. Compatible with MT4. Trades Forex, stocks, or metals. Brings instant results, 5 minutes to 1 hour. Perfect for first-timers who have never traded before. Low startup capital needed. You could start with as little as $100. Just imagine. You start with $100, enter a few trades, and double your money. But that's not all. You decided to rinse and repeat the process so that before the day ends, you can easily have several hundreds of dollars in your account. You can even use Binary Killer to trade small amounts like $100 too. Look how I was still able to instantly make 75% returns on just $100 investment. All you do is push the call or put button as triggered by the Binary Killer, and within the next few minutes, you could earn as much as 75% to 100% ROI on your trade, depending on your broker, which I will also help you with too. You could trade at lunchtime, between the breaks, before or after work. You could read the Forex, stock, and metal markets from wherever you want, whenever you want, without the confusing, complex stop losses, charts, etc. You don't need to wait for hours or days gaping at your computer to know the outcome of your trade. You don't need to worry about take profit or stop loss anymore. Instant results, no waiting time. That's what drove me to binary options trading in the first place. It's through trading the options market I've been able to take just one of my trading accounts from $6,000 to $99,887.97 in only 6 months. By the way, I'm James Ruskin from Denver, Colorado. At 32, I have reached the pinnacle of success thanks to my Binary Killer. I don't have to slog all day long to give my family the lifestyle that's enviable even by the rich and the famous. My wife gets invited to exclusive jewelry and painting auctions. She spent a fortune to get a Hermes handbag without batting an eyelid. We travel abroad on a whim to wherever we want, whenever we want. In the past 2 years, my family and I have traveled to the Caribbean, Australia, Indonesia, Thailand, Europe, Egypt, India, Maldives, and many more places. Practically every 2 months or so we are off to some distant destination. Of course, I do carry my laptop and my portable broadband connection wherever I go. That's all I need to run my business. Things weren't always this simple and comfortable for me. I had just been an average guy and lived on oxygen from paycheck to paycheck. I will never forget the day when my 1-year-old had a high fever and had to be rushed to the hospital. I don't remember if I was more worried about my baby or about the hospital bill. Those 8 days were a living hell. I'd been working as a data entry operator at a financial institution. My salary was just enough to scrape through the month. But that day, when sitting on the hospital couch, I knew something had to be done. I can't see my family suffer like this. I wasn't even able to take my family out on a weekend. I had seen people in the Forex department talk about how much money our company made on a daily basis. I started taking tips from them and traded side by side to make some additional income. It wasn't anything great, but I developed a keen interest in Forex trading. I started studying Forex through several free courses, attended seminars, borrowed books from the office library, and after struggling for over 2 years and losing my shirt a couple of times, I finally perfected a trading strategy that could identify short-term trend movements quickly. Things looked pretty good, and I was earning much more than my monthly salary. I left my job thinking I would have more free time than before, but I was wrong. I stayed glued to my computer for 12 to 15 hours a day. I barely slept. I used to wake up at odd hours in the night to check my trades. My personal life was a mess. It was taking a toll on my health. One day, I collapsed on my trading desk and had to be hospitalized. Doc said I was overstressed and needed complete rest for at least 2 weeks. Things will get worse, he said. That was a warning, and I took the call. I couldn't stop trading, but I couldn't work like a zombie either. I needed something that worked and worked quickly. The binary options had just surfaced on the horizon. Binary options were fairly new then, with very few takers. There was a free seminar one Saturday afternoon where eminent personalities from financial institutions were to talk about this trading instrument. It was interesting, like really amazing. This was simple, and I could earn money within minutes. I already had the systems, charts, and everything that was needed to trade binary options. But for successful binary options trading, I needed an automated system that did the analysis with ninja speed and saved me analytical hard work. Binary options is not random trading as many online marketers make it out to be. It involves deep analysis, understanding of the market trends, the waves, and the market mood. I could apply my Forex trading system to binaries. However, with a manual trading system, it was practically impossible to decipher the market movement within the next 5 minutes. Again, I didn't want to be trapped on my computer round the clock. Binary options could give staggering profits if you were quick enough to capture it. I knew my Forex trading system predicted the market with perfection, but I wanted it at lightning speed. Every minute spent in predicting call or put was a trading opportunity lost. I didn't want to lose any of the trading opportunities, particularly when I had everything to give me a home run. I contacted a buddy who was also an ace programmer to translate my trading system into software that could do all the complex analysis in just seconds. I tried and test-checked the software for over 2 years, and here I am raking in marvelous profits trade after trade within a short few minutes. Binary Killer is capable of banking $4,559 in profits in only 10 minutes, like it did right here. With binary options trading, there are no locking of capital, no stop losses, no complex entry and exit points, no waiting to know the outcome of your trades. Binary Killer is seriously complex software that has been simplified so that absolutely anyone can just plug and play it. It really is as easy to use as these 4 simple steps. 1. Get visual alert on the chart. 2. Push the call or put button. 3. Collect profits within 5 minutes to 1 hour. And 4. Rinse and repeat as many times as you want. I can almost guarantee you success with Binary Killer. I'm dead serious about that. I can almost guarantee you whopping success with my software. With the power-packed volatility skew formula, I have taken every care to avoid risky trades. This is simple, and if I can do it, so can you. I didn't want to insult your intelligence by showing maneuvered screenshots or Photoshop artwork. That's the reason I took the time to video my trading session earlier. Binary Killer is ranked as the world's #1 options trading robot by the enthusiast traders community. So I had to show you the real live proof. You've seen enough of the BS, I'm sure. You deserve better than that. You deserve to see irrefutable, undeniable proof before you spent a dime on getting my Binary Killer. That's why I provided you with some. I want to see you start living the life you deserve to live, starting today. It's crystal clear that the economy is spiraling downwards. You'll be paying more taxes, fighting price rises. There could be a lot more job cuts, pay cuts, and much more. You'll need to be prepared for the worst in the coming days. Unless you find an alternative income source that brings in consistent gains with a small investment without having to spend much time and effort doing so, then times are going to be very difficult for you. Come and break the mold. Grab this cash-generating opportunity I'm throwing at your feet. Binary options trading is still in its infancy. This makes it all the more profitable. Remember, the early bird catches the most worms. The brokers are giving fancy deals and friendly terms to get customers. For you, this simply means that you get to keep major chunks of the profits you make. Easy cash withdrawals and so forth. Remember when the gold rush started? Those with the know-how who entered early took home more profits than the others. Similarly, this is the best time to enter this simple, low-risk trading market. Get cutting-edge leverage with a Binary Killer. This is the time. Your wheel of fortune is about to smile. From now on, you'll never be strapped for cash, have to wait for the next payday, have to think a million times before you go on a holiday. This coveted software will scale up and boost your income almost at the flip of a switch. Yes, this is as easy as flipping a switch. Just copy and paste the software and wait for the signals. Pressing call or put and start earning crazy, lazy profits. I don't want a penny from you if you aren't absolutely thrilled about the Binary Killer. I want to make you 100% comfortable before you decide. That's why I am extending my absolutely no quibbles money-back guarantee for an entire 60 days. This is like a double bonus. I gave you access to one of my personal trading accounts over a 2-day period so that you could see with your own eyes how much money I am able to rake in with my Binary Killer. And I am also giving you a full 60 days to test check my software at zero risk. If for some crazy reason you are unhappy with the Binary Killer at any point of time, just let me know and I'll refund your entire money. No questions asked. It can't get better than this. It won't get better than this. But before we move further, I want to show you what people who have used Binary Killer previously have to say about it.
Hey, I never knew that making money would be so simple. All I do is simply click put or call, and the money rolls into the trading account within just a few short minutes. Now currently, I'm just trading Forex and gold. Since the signals are generated on MT4, I don't have to switch to trade. It's easy and fun, and I absolutely love the way I'm able to earn a fantastic return so effortlessly. Now, soon I'm planning to trade stocks as well as using the binary killer. Now, I've also started reading the binary options manual for a deeper understanding. And thanks to you guys, you've opened my eyes to the world of this new opportunity, and it's been fantastic for me. Thank you so much.
Hello, buddy. I've been struggling to trade forex for the past 2 years without making any headway. I guess I entered the market at the wrong time, huh? But along the way, I've also read about many binaries and even tried a couple of services of them, but I earned nothing much. All I earned was wiped away as losses, and the net result was not impressive at all. And it was with Binary Killer that I started gaining real return on investment, and it was over 85%, and life has been so much easier since then. In fact, I started with just $200 and at the end of just 4 weeks, my initial deposit grew up to more than $8,300. It is amazing considering the fact that I only entered around 5 trades per day, and this is truly amazing. And thank you so much for introducing me to Binary Killer, and I feel so great now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Patricia, and I am a trainee teacher. I needed extra income to meet my expenses. In fact, I was worried to death on how I was going to survive on a trainee salary. But with Binary Killer, I can now even afford to go shopping for shoes. I have to admit, I know nothing about trading, but with your manual, I'm learning. The instructions are crisp and clear, and all I have to do is follow the signals. I now feel secure and confident. I'm currently trading with $250 at stake, but now that I know your software works, I plan on increasing that investment. You have been a big help. Thank you so much.
With just a tiny grub stake, a one-time zero-risk investment, you could have new secure income horizons open up for you. With my no-strings-attached offer, you could finally create your very own legacy and accelerate the pace of your retirement. Binary Killer works with laser-tuned precision, but as I said before, I want you to be 100% confident about it before you risk a single dime. To make it even simpler, you can trial it and demo trade for a couple of days to make sure that it really works. And see for yourself the crazy amounts of money this tiny piece of software generates for you. If I fail you in any way or this doesn't generate the kind of results I talk about, just send me an email and I'll refund every penny back to you instantly. You don't even have to explain why you're not happy. I've made sure that this remains a win-win offer for you. You simply just can't go wrong. In order to start your risk-free trial of Binary Killer, simply hit the Download Now button below. No tall claims, no scams, just real, solid proof of what Binary Killer can do for you. The market may move up, down, or sideways in the next 7 days, but my Binary Killer will tell you exactly what you should expect from the market. You'll see how much money I would be making. Remember, all the money could be yours if you act in time. Just imagine, you could lead a stress-free life, work whenever you feel, go on long vacations, buy a palatial mansion, put your kids through private schools. Splurge out on almost anything and everything you want. From now on, you won't have an edgy boss to tackle. You won't have to wake up in the wee hours to avert the morning rush to the office. Your office would be your laptop. Switch it on whenever you want, and within less than an hour, walk away happier and richer. Remember what Binary Killer is capable of? It took a $7,000 trading account from this to this in less than 4 hours. It's up to you to put an end to your slavery and misery. How much longer would you like to work for someone else? It's time to rise and take action for the betterment of your life. You'll no longer have to worry about emergency bills, the economy, or if you will get your pension money in time. Best of all, you'll get freedom. Freedom to do what you want, whenever you want. Just imagine one right decision could change your life for good. The time is now. Take a leap of faith and start earning an additional income. Your first profit could be just minutes away from now. The choice is yours. But let me warn you, I have limited copies of the software, so if you don't act in time, you may have to regret it later. This is your chance to change your destiny. I'll leave it to you to make the right decision. Just remember, Binary Killer does all the hard work for you. All you need to do is click call or put as indicated by the signals. That's all you do to collect huge daily paychecks. Hit the download button below to activate your risk-free trial now.